Simplify the following expression, sine cubed x cotangent x plus cotangent x cos squared x sine x. Ugh. When you see these, what you want to do is rewrite them in sine and cosines only and see if magical things happen. All right, so this is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to just go way above and beyond. Okay, let's focus on just that part only. Sine cubed x is sine x, sine x, sine x. Okay, why not? Cotangent is cosine x over sine x. All right, easy peasy. Plus cotangent, I just saw that. So cotangent is going to be cosine x over sine x. Cosine squared x is cosine x, and then sine x is just sine x. Let's see if anything crosses out. Okay, sine x over here over sine x over there. All right. Sine x over here and sine x over there. All right. Now what that leaves us with is 2 sine x's, so I will rewrite that as sine squared x again. Cos x is all alone here. Plus 3 coses, so I'll write that out as cos cubed x. Didn't really seem to get us anywhere, except I can factor out a cosine out of both of these. So let's do that. Let's factor a cosine out of both. That leaves us with a sine squared x out of this one. And if I remove 1 cosine from 3 cosine, that leaves us with 2 cosines. Sine squared x plus cos squared x, why that's a Pythagorean identity. So cosine x times 1, because sine squared x plus cos squared x is 1. And cos x times 1 is just regular cosine x. Well, isn't that fun?